inside the trailer, I'm standing on the gooseneck on the front part. You can see this is the second floor. The second floor, we also designed it to be extended part. If you use it, you can pull it out. If you don't use it, you can pull it in. So for the whole trailer, we have 10 hydraulic cylinders to control the whole trailer. So inside the trailer, we have 6 hydraulic cylinders to control the second part. First 2 hydraulic cylinders, you can see here. This is the hydraulic cylinder. This is the first 2 one pair in front to control the front part of the second floor. So we have seen the gooseneck. You can see here is a ramp, so can be easily load the cars. And here you can see we have 2 small hydraulic cylinders installed here. You can see. So these 2 small hydraulic cylinders will control this part. Will control the ladder. To control the ladder, just the same height with the gooseneck. We will operate for you to show you how this kind of cylinder operated. Trailer, you can see there are different columns installed on both sides of the trailer. So we have designed different holes. You can see different holes to hold the second floor. So why we designed different holes is we designed more than 10 holes because it can switch for different size of cars to pass the first floor. You see all the lines, we put it in order, and so it looks very neat and very clean. You can see from here also to there. This is the rear part. You can see we also designed it to the extended parts. You can see if you use and load the car or unload the cars, we can pull it out. And if you don't need it, we can put it in. So this part can be customized. Normally the length is around 2 meters. And if you need a more longer one, we can also customize for your needs. This is our whole trailer. So we call it a frame type of trailer. The trailer can be customized based on any of your requirements and needs. So please feel free to contact us, to contact YIHAI at any time. Thank you.